This entire Ghibli-style video was made using AI. No animation skills or expensive softwares. It's completely free. Now here's the crazy part. Right now on YouTube, brand new channels are going viral making videos like this. I'm talking about millions of views from simple Ghibli-style AI stories. And most people still don't know how easy this is. Look at this. Multiple new channels have reached monetization in just months. That's how powerful this niche is right now. The YouTube algorithm is pushing these Ghibli-style AI videos, and the next channel could be yours. Wait until the end to learn the full tutorial in the easiest way. First, we need a strong story idea that feels engaging and viewer-friendly. Open ChatGPT and paste the first simple prompt. All the prompts are provided in the description below. If you're using a mobile phone, don't worry, the process is exactly the same. After entering the first prompt, you'll get multiple story ideas to choose from. Pick the one you like the most. Next, copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT and insert your selected idea into that prompt. Instantly, you'll have a complete script for your video. Now we need proper character and shot descriptions. So for that, copy and paste the third prompt into ChatGPT. Within seconds, you'll receive detailed character descriptions along with ready-to-use text-to-image and image-to-video prompts for every single shot. Now let's move to second step. Here, we will use Gemini to generate our scenes. Open Gemini, click on Tools, select Image, then on the right side choose Fast and enable Thinking Mode. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for your first character, and paste it into Gemini. Your first character is ready. Repeat the same process for the second character. Copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Gemini, and your second character will be generated. Now let's create the shots. Copy the text-to-image prompt for the first shot from ChatGPT and paste it into Gemini. Your image will be generated instantly. Continue this process for each shot. Copy the prompt, paste it into Gemini, and generate the image. You'll notice the character consistency across all the scenes. Once all the shots are ready, download them. Now that we have all our shots in image format, we need to animate them into video. There are many tools available, but we'll use Grok because it's free and easy to use. On the left side, click on Imagine. Upload the first shot you created, then go back to ChatGPT, copy the image to video prompt, and paste it into Grok. Your animated shot will be ready. Download it from the bottom right corner. Repeat the same process for every shot. Upload the image, paste the prompt, generate the video, and download it. Continue until all your shots are animated. Now, as you can see, all the shots are animated and ready. Let's move on to final step. Now it's time to compile everything together. Open CapCut or any editing app you prefer. Import all the animated visuals generated from Grok. Arrange them on the timeline in scenes order. Add smooth transitions to improve the flow. Then include background music to enhance the overall feel. You can make your own music also for free using AI. Full tutorial video is in cards. Once everything looks good, preview your final video and export. That's a wrap for today. I hope you learned something valuable. If you want to create documentary videos, check out the video linked in the cards. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.